AI to generate $3,000 with only one product on this TikTok account. It's 100% affiliate profit and no ad spend. The best part is, I can take this same ad to a paid platform like Meta Ad to scale the profit even higher by leveraging Meta's insanely accurate pixel data. One of the biggest reasons why many affiliates fail is because they just don't know how to make their own blue ocean market, where the competition is low, regardless how much content they have watched. So in this video, I want to cut the BS and give you the full step-by-step plan on how to create a high-converting ad script using AI that speaks directly to the target audience and make the offer irresistible. We're going to look at how to find all the untapped marketing angles by scanning through the user comment section to find unique marketing concepts, as well as hooks we can use in our video. When you do this right, this means higher hook rate, longer watch time, potentially lower CPM, and high chance for conversion. For this video, we are creating an ad script for this hand massager, and we are jumping into Amazon's user review section first. We want to extract all the unique benefits that actual users are saying right inside the comment section into our Excel sheet. We will copy and paste any line that sounds good for hooks right here in the hooks column, and any good benefit lines in the unique selling proposition section. And of course, the call to action. This table allows us to gather all the script lines we need all in one place, and we can create multiple permutations of ad scripts by using a simple AI prompt right here, which you can save it and follow along in this video. So as we are looking through the comments, we are going to copy any lines that we see that communicate value, and it's something that most people are saying over and over again. For example, as I'm reading through this, most of them are talking about how it relieves tension in the palm and fingers. So this one right here says, "This device gives an incredible deep massage that eases the tension and leaves my hand feeling relaxed and rejuvenated." This is a logical benefit that the product provides, so we want to copy and paste it into our Excel sheet. Moving on, this one here mentions something about being a power lifter. I'm a former power lifter, and my hands definitely have arthritic pain, shooting through them roughly 8 to 10 times a day. That sounds like a line I could use as the hook, because it calls out a specific group of people that may benefit from this hand massager, like weightlifters and other gym bros out there. So I'm going to copy this into our hook column. Moving on, this line talked about how the heat function is a total relief after long hours at work. Okay, we can copy this sentence into the USP column. As you read through all these comments, here's something you want to jog down somewhere and memorize it by heart. For every line that you gather, you want to put them through the WhereFem test. The WhereFem test stands for "What is in it for me?" Nobody buys the hand massager just because it's cool. People buy it because it can relieve hand pain. People buy it because the heat can circulate blood and reduce inflammation, so people can recover faster and do sports that they enjoy. The famous saying, "People don't buy drills, they buy it because they need to make a hole." It's the same thing here. That's ultimately what's in it for them. So we want to make sure each line can communicate that with these three ways: logical benefit, emotional benefit, and dimensional benefit. Logical benefits will be something like, "These are nubs to push on pressure points. While the gel pads compress the hand, it even extends and stretches the fingers and palm. I would buy this again." This can be added as a USP because it describes the logical benefit of stretching the fingers to relieve hand pain. Emotional benefit can be communicated through words or a person's reaction, like, "I was blown away by the gentle air compression," which this one can also be used as a hook. Dimensional benefit will be something like, "It felt like a personal massage therapist right in my living room." That can be used as a dimensional benefit, letting the viewer imagine that they are getting a world-class massager at home without spending lots of money. If you can master this part when finding lines to use in your script, you are doing way better market research than your average marketers who rush through things or solely rely on generic AI prompts. So how do you know if a line is generic or something that can be deleted? Well, if anything that isn't a big deal to most people will be like, "Oh, this is a rechargeable," or "This is lightweight and easy to use." If any standard features or benefits, like it's easy to use or it solves a problem that isn't worth people spending money on, then just skip through them. Only focus on things that people are willing to spend money on now, things that creates desire. So if you're following along, be sure to save this video so you can always come back to this tutorial if you're stuck when doing product research. And also be sure to download a list of free prompts in the description so you can use in your market research. So I want you to spend as much time as possible reading through these lines and put them in the Excel sheet. And the next step is to quickly generate multiple versions of the script using this AI prompt. So 6 hooks, 10 USPs, and 2 call to actions. If we do the permutation math, 6 times 10 times 2, and we can get 180 permutations of the script. For this video, we are going to just stick to 20. and you can experiment this on your own. So let's open up ChatGPT. We are going to prompt the GPT to do the following. Please create 20 permutations of ad script based on the following script lines. I want the ad script to have 1 hook, plus 2 unique selling propositions, and 2 call to action. Just paste the ad matrix from our Excel sheet and hit go. Now, ChatGPT will put together different versions of the ad by referencing the Excel sheet. If you look closely, each one will be different and randomized. This method is absolutely time efficient if you want to test different ad concepts in seconds that used to take hours without AI. Here we are going to use AI to create the ad script voiceover. Then we will combine that with UGC-style footage. For this script right here, just copy this, go to ElevenLabs, paste in the script. Imagine what the ad will look like as you go along. Anyway, I'm going to speed this up. You're going to read through the script, fix any grammar, add any transitions to make sure that the whole script can be read smoothly. I do not recommend using the default voice because they don't sound good enough for UGC-style content. Now go to the Voice tab, and then go to the Library section. If you want to try out ElevenLabs, I have left a free trial link in the description so you can try this out. I want to find a voice that sounds like a UGC-style voice on TikTok. So when you're going through them, you're going to notice some says voice design, some will say HQ. What you want to do is you want to pick the ones that isn't a voice design, because those are very generic voices. What you want to look for is something that says live moderation. Those are most likely to do well with UGC content. These voices have the prosody and tonality just right, so use these. So I found this one, it sounds engaging, and it sounds energetic. So let's use this for the script. You're gonna have to play around with this setting right here and hit generate speech.
This is a godsend item. It provides a deep and relaxing massage that relieves tension and pain in your hands. It's compact and has adjustable setting, so you can pick the right intensity to totally relieve your hand stress. You are not paying this much. In fact, the TikTok shop is running a sale right now, so grab one before the TikTok
We're going to download it and use it later. Now let's put together the video. Now open up Adobe Premiere. All we need to do is stitch together the footage with the voiceover. We're going to import the voiceover and the footage into an Adobe Premiere project file. Go to the sequence, right-click, go to sequence settings, change the frame size to 1080 horizontal and 1920 vertical, and that's a 9:16 ratio vertical footage. Now we're going to listen to the audio and cut out all the pauses. We can use the razor tool to do this, and we're going to do a little J-cut by overlaying with the last clip so that the audio plays right away and it also sounds a bit more natural. For a good TikTok affiliate video, you need a good visual hook. That's the spoken word and the text shown on the screen. A person can read faster than hearing you talk, so we want to grab the audience's attention by using a visual hook. So let's use this weird shot as the hook. For this part, we can actually speed that up. What we want to do here is just to show the product in action with various shots. Now we're going to hit File Export.
This is a godsend item. It provides a deep and relaxing massage that relieves tension and pain in your hands. It's compact and has adjustable setting, so you can pick the right intensity to totally relieve your hand stress. You are not paying this much. In fact, the TikTok shop is running a sale right now, so grab one before the TikTok ban.
Now we are going to transfer the file to an SD card to be uploaded to TikTok. Congratulations! You have just created an ad script by finding your own Blue Ocean Market ad copies right from the user review section. If you want to learn more about how to find the best hook to use, please check out the link in the description and watch this video about generating the best hook.